सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
नमस्कारं
नमस्कारः।
सर।
स्वागतं पुनरेकवारम्। एतस्य सप्ताहस्य अयं प्रथमः वर्गः अक्टोबर् मासस्य सोमवासरीय कक्षा वर्गः। एवमेव जानन्ति भवन्तः, पुनः एकवारं स्मारयामि। वयम् अस्माभिः काकोलुकीयं पठ्यते अधीयते इदानीं। काकोलुकीये तत्र प्रास्ताविका कथा या आसीत् सा पूर्णतया पठिता अस्ति, अधीता अस्ति अस्माभिः। अस्मिन् पुस्तके या प्रथमा कथा वर्तते, किं कारणं तत्र काक उलूकानां मध्ये तत्र विरोध कारणं किमिति काक उलूक विरोधकथा इति इयं प्रथमा कथा अस्मिन् तन्त्रे। प्रास्ताविककथानन्तरं प्रस्तावनानन्तरं इयं प्रथमा कथा वर्तते। तत्र 17 कथाः सन्ति। 17 कथासु इयमेव प्रथमा कथा, यस्याः शीर्षकं काक उलूकानां मध्ये विरोधकथा इति। इयं कथा केन उच्यते? दिस इज द स्टोरी बीइंग टोल्ड बाय द स्थिरजीवी, द oldest minister of the Crow King. That has to be remembered by us. काकराजस्य मंत्री स्थिरजीविना इयं कथा उच्यते. So Sthirajivi is narrating the story to the when the king of the crows, Megha Varna, asked, what is the actual reason for the enmity between the crows and the owls? Then he started. Once upon a time, this is what happened. So we are there reading through that story. Yes, Srinivas. Today's number.
Yeah. विंशत्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः।
परंतु पृष्ठ संख्या इयं न 427 Srinivas.
427. Okay.
Yes, this is. We have to start with.
Yes. अपरं वैनतेये स्वामिनि स्थिते किमेष दिवान्धः क्रियते राजा तद् यद्यपि गुणवान् भवति तथापि एकस्मिन् स्वामिनि स्थिते न अन्यः भूपः प्रशस्यते।
So the crow is speaking in the story. Crow accidentally came over to the place where the coronation for the Uluka was being prepared, and just as when the Uluka was about to ascend to the throne, यावत् उलूकः तत्र सिंहासने उपविशति तावत् कालेन तदानीमेव तस्मिन् समये एव कुतश्चित् एकः काकः तत्र समायातः। काकं दृष्ट्वा अन्ये पक्षिणः सर्वेपि काकः पक्षिणां तत्र धूर्तः यथा नराणां नापितो धूर्तः पक्षिणां चैव वायस काकः इति मत्वा एनं काकम् एनं वायसं पृच्छन्ति. They begin to ask this crow his opinion, and the crow starts condemning the very physical personality of the Uluka Raja who was about to be condemned. He said, Swabhava Raudram, the previous sloka. Swabhava Raudram Atyugram, very, very horrible, frightful fellow, very fierce. Kruram, that, yeah, just one. Swabhava Vairam, Raudram, Atyugram, Kruram, Cruel, Apriyavadinam, very unpleasant speaker, Ulukam, Nrupatim Krutva, Konu Konaha Siddhir Bhavishyati. What profit, what object shall be gained by making such a horrible creature as the king? And he is furthering on in this page. Aparam, one more thing. And secondly also, Vainateye Swamini Sthite Sati. When Vainateya Garuda is there already as Swami, Vainateye Swamini Sthite Sati. This is Sati Saptami. This Sati, look, Saptami absolute. Kim Esha Divandha Kriyate Raja. Direct attack on the owl. When the Swami, when the master Vainateya is there very much present, Kim, why? Esha Diva Andha Kriyate Raja. Esha Ulukaha Divandha Raja Kriyate. Why is this blind, day blind Pakshi bird is made the king? Tad, so Yadyapi Gunavan Bhavati. Even if it is not, tad Yadyapi Gunavan Bhavati, Tatapi Ekasmin Swamini. Even he may be good, but he is still, Tatapi still, Ekasmin Swamini Sthite. When there is already one Swami, when there is already Garuda, Vainateya, na Anyaha Bhupaha Prashasyati. Why go for another king? And the other king is not welcome, Prashasyati. He said that.
Eka eva hitarthaya tejasvi parthivo bhuvaha yuganta iva bhasvanto bahavotra vipattaye.
Then the crow advances its argument. Why go for a selection of another king when already Garuda is the king of all the Pakshi? Pakshinam sarvesham Garudaha Garude tatra Vainateye prabhau sthite sati. Kim tatra karanam anyasya kasyasana kurupasya pakshina rajatvam tatra iti. So, eka eva hitarthaya tejasvi parthivo bhuvaha. Parthivaha king, bhuvaha parthivaha, prithivyaha parthivaha raja, eka eva tejasvi. Only one brilliant king is sufficient. Hitarthaya alam iti paryaptam iti. Eka eva bhuvaha prithivyaha parthivaha raja, Tejasvi Raja Tejasvi Parthivaha Hitarthaya Paryaptam Bhavati. Only one brilliant king for the entire world, earth, is sufficient for the welfare of the people. When one brilliant king is there, he is just sufficient for the welfare of the people. Yuganta iva, Yugante iva Bhasvantaha Bhavaha Atra Vipattayi. Why go for many kings? The argument is, why go for another king when already Vainateya is the Swami? It is like when there is one powerful, brilliant king ruling the earth, and it is Eka Eva Hitarthaya. He is sufficient for the welfare of all the people. If you go for many kings, it is like Yugante Eva, like at the end of the Yuga, dissolution, at the time of the dissolution. Bhasvantaha. Bhasvant Shabda Srinivas. This is Bhasvant, Bhasvantau, Bhasvantaha, Suryaha, Adityaha, Bahavaha, Atra Vipattaye. So Bahavaha, Bhasvantaha, Adityaha, Yugante Eva, Yugante Yatha Bahavaha, Adityaha, Dvadasha Adityaha, Tatra Bhasante, Prakashante, Yugante, Pralaya Kale, Yada, Yatha, Pralaya Kale, Bhagavaha, Suryaha, Tatra Prakashamanaha, Bhavishanti, Tarhi Tena Kovalavaha, Vinashaha eva Bhavati Kalu. Yugante Bhagavaha Yadi Suryaha, Adityaha, Prakashamanaha Bhavanti Nama, Tarnama, Tatra Pralaya Samanjayate iti. Evameva Bhagavaha Rajanaha Navashyakaha, Bhagavaha Prabhavaha Rajanaha na Avashyakaha, Eke Ekasmin Sati Tatra Anyasya ka Avashyakata iti. Yugante eva Bhasvantaha Suryaha Bhagavaha Atra Vipattaye. So just like many suns at the time of dissolution of the earth only promote the nasha, vipatti. It only foretells about the dissolution and the devastation, total devastation. Like that, many kings, if you are going in for, will create only vipatti. It will not be hitartha. So one efficient tejasvi, ekah तेजस्वी राजा पृथिव्याः हितार्थाय भवति न तु बहवः राजानः यथा बहवः सूर्याः युगान्ते तत्र प्रलयकाले भास्वन्ति प्रकाशन्ते केवलं विपत्तये भवन्ति इति. So that is the idea. So
तस्य नाम्नापि यूयं परेषाम् अगम्या भविष्यथा उक्तं च गुरूणां नाम मात्रेऽपि गृहीते स्वामि संभवे दुष्टानां पुरतः क्षेमं तत्क्षणादेव जायते.
and what is the importance? If supposing we have only one efficient Tejasvi Raja Parthivaha, there are so many benefits out of it. Tat, therefore, tasya namnapi, just by mentioning that Tejasvi Nrupati's name, Bhupati's name, Parthiva name, tat tasya namnapi yuyam paresham agamya bhavishyataha. By mentioning the name of that Tejasvi Parthiva, Tejasvi Raja, yuyam sarvepi pakshinaha, paresham agamya bhavishyataha, you will become inaccessible to other people. Nobody dares touch you by mentioning Garuda's name. If imagine if we have a very efficient king ruling, then by the mention of that name of that king, the enemies don't come near to us. Tattasya namnapi yuyam pakshinaha sarvepi paresham agamya bhavishyata. You will merely by mentioning his name, you will become, you will not be under their threat. You will become agamya, you will be unreachable by the enemies. Uktam cha, it is said, Gurunam nama matrepi gruhite swami sambhave. Swami sambhave, when there is already a master, like Vainatiya, swami sambhave, swami sthite sambhave, Gurunam nama matrepi gruhite, when the name of the elderly, when mere name of the you can say Guru Nam means the powerful, also you can take Guru means elderly, the powerful king. Mahatam Guru Nam. Nama Matrepi Krute, when the name itself is taken like the name of the Garuda. Dushtanam Purataha, before the Dustas. Guru Nam means Tatra Mahatam. Mahatam Tejasvinam Ragnam Nama Matre Gruhite. When the name, mere name of the great powerful kings is taken, already there is a Swami Sambhave, when there is already a king, and in spite of the king being there, when you take the name of that king, Dushtanam Purataha, before whom? Dushtanam Purataha, before the wicked enemies. Kshevam Takshana Deva Jayate, if you take the name of the powerful kings, that very moment, Takshanat, that very moment, Kshemam Eva Jayate, you will be safe. It is like sometimes in our movies,
Yeah, I remember.
The villain says, "Hey, who do you think I am? My father is the minister, home minister." Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work.
Yeah, I remembered Maya Bazar, where when Abhimanyu fell down, then his mother takes the name of Arjuna, then Ghatotkacha. He immediately come to the shelter of her.
No, this is a strategy to weaken the enemy.
Yeah.
This is a strategy to escape from a situation, very practical strategy. By if you are in trouble, then you take the name of a big man, big official,
Correct.
big minister. Then the opponent will be, some fear will be there.
Yeah.
So that is what. And when really the king is great, if you take his name, then the Dushtanam Purata, before the wicked fellows, you will be safe. That is what he says. Tathacha, moreover.
Vyapadeshena mahatam सिद्धिः सञ्जायते परा शशिनो व्यपदेशेन वसन्ति शशकाः सुखम्
So here we are, yeah, please.
कथमेतत् स आह.
So here we are entering into the second story. One story, a small story is over now. How the enmity between Kaka and Uluka started. So the link here is this poem, 80th poem. Vyapadeshena mahatam. Nama matrena. Vyapadeshena namagrahanena mahatam. Mahatam namagrahanena. By taking the name of the great people. Guru Nam is used above poem. Here Mahatam is used. Mahatam namagrahanena siddhi sanja para siddhi sanjayati. Great achievement is obtained. Srinivas. Mahatam Purushanam Ragnam Bhupanam Vyapadeshena Namagrahanena Para Siddhi Sanjayati. Greatest achievement is available, is achieved by mentioning the name of the great people. Like if one say I am the student of so and so great teacher, then the opponent will be. Understand? Even in teaching also it happens. Shashinaha Vyapadeshena. So the coming story is entered here. Shashinaha Vyapadeshena. By mentioning the name of the rabbit, Vasanti Shashakaha Sukam. All other rabbits happily live. By mentioning the king of the rabbits, the other rabbits play safe. Now what is that? Pakshina, all the birds which gathered there to coronate the owl, they said, Pakshina Uchuhu Kathametat. How is this? How is this? By mentioning the name of a great man, we get great siddhi, parasiddhi. Then he starts. Who starts here? The crow. Now this story is told by the Kaka. The Kaka who has accidentally come out to the place where coronation of the owl is stalled now. It is stalled, yes. Now the second story is Shasha Gajayuthanama Natha Katha. Sorry, Shasha Gajayuthanatha Katha. Now this is a very famous story, recommended known to many people. Yes, Sri.
कस्मिंश्चित् वने चतुर्दन्तो नाम महागजः यूथाधिपः प्रतिवसति स्म. तत्र कदाचित् महती अनावृष्टिः सञ्जाता प्रभूतवर्षाणि यावत्. तया तडागहृद पल्वल.
That is Rada Srinivas. Tadaga Palvala Saramsi.
तडागह्रद पल्वल सरांसि शोषम् उपागतानि. अथ तैः समस्तगजैः स गजराजः प्रोक्तः. हे देव, पिपासाकुल गजकलभा मृतप्रायाः अपरे मृताश्च.
Okay. Yeah. Now this is the Iyam Dvitiya Katha Vartate Asmin Kakolukiye Tantre Shasha Gaja Yuthanatha Katha. Kasminchid Vane, as usual, our writer starts Kasminchid Vane. Vana is not important. Which Vana it was? Chaturdantaha Nama Mahagajaha Yutha Adhipaha Prativasati Sma. Yutha Adhipaha. Yutha means a group. Samuha Adhipaha. Yutha means a herd of elephants. A group of elephants, what we say, herd, H-E-R-D, herd. So, Yutha Adhipaha. So, there in some forest, there lived Prativasati Sma. Sma is used with the present tense verb, so it converts into Lang Lakara. Chaturdantaha Nama Mahagajaha. A mighty elephant, a great elephant, mighty elephant by name Chaturdantaha. Yutha Adhipaha, the king of the herd, Prativasati Sma. Tatra, there in that forest, Kadachin, Chit, sometime Kadachin, Mahati Anavrustihi Sanjata. Mahati Anavrustihi, a great drought had come over there in that forest. Mahati Anavrustihi Sanjata. Anavrusti Shabda is Strilinga. So Sanjata, Anavrushti, Sanjata. We have, as usual in our country, either Anavrushti or Ativrushti. Now we are going through in Hyderabad Ativrushti. And there are some problems. Anything excessive Ati is either excessive drought is bad, excessive rain is also bad for people. Anavrushti. So Mahati Anavrushti, Sanjata. Prabhuta Varshani Avat, for long years, for many years, this drought continued. Taya Anavrustya. So because of that drought, great drought, Tadaga, pond, Krada lake, Palwala, pools, Saramsi lakes, etc. So Tadaga, now sometimes in Sanskrit, Srinivas, Tadaga also means pond, lake and pool. The opening word here, Tadaga. Now we have to understand, synonymous, there are so many meanings for this.
Yeah.
All the meanings of Tadaga in English are the lake, pool, pond, all of that. But we are translating as Tadaga means lake, Krada means, Tadaga means pond, Krada means lake. It also means pool. Palwala means pool. Saramsi means lake. So anyway, lakes. I would take it as all the lakes, small and big lakes. Sosham upagatani, shushkani jatani. They all got dried. All the water bodies, let us say in one word, all the water bodies in that area, in that forest got dried. Sosham upagatani. Because the preceding is saramsi, napumsakalinga. Therefore, upagatani, the tanta is used with that. Watch our Sanskrit also there. Atha, then, taihi samasta gajaihi. So, a big herd of elephants were living there. Then, taihi samasta gajaihi. All the elephants, by all the elephants, sa gajarajaha, Chaturdanta-nama gajarajaha, proktaha. He was addressed by all the elephants, Chaturdanta. Hey Deva, O my Lord, O our Lord, Pipasa Akula, Gajakalaba, Mrtapraya. In the first instance, Pipasa Akula, Pipasaya Akula, Piditaha, Akulaha nama Piditaha, Gajakalabaha. Gajakalaba means the young Gaja Shishavaha, Srinivas. Gajakalabaha, Gaja Shishavaha. Young elephants, baby elephants, we say. The baby elephants, Gajakalabaha, Mrtapraya, almost on the verge of dying. Because, such a huge bodied animal, elephant, needs so much water to drink. Apare, others, Mrutascha, others died. Some are on the verge of dying. Yes,
Tad anvaishyatam, sorry, tad anvishyatam kaschit jalashayah yatra jalapanena te swasthatam rajanti. Tataha chiram dhyatva tena abhihitam asti mahahrado vivikte pradeshe स्थलमध्यगतः पातालगंगाजलेन सदा एव पूर्णः tat tatra gamyatam iti.
So when the Gajaraja Chaturdanta was addressed by the followers, by all the elephants together, and told that the young baby elephants are already on the verge of dying and many have died. So therefore, tad anvishyatam, they also said, tad anvishyatam, therefore let it be searched, kaschit, some jalashaya, some water body, yatra jalapanena, going where there, going to which place, yatra, yasmin pradeshe, jalapanena, by drinking the water, swastatam rajanti. Those young ones which are on the verge of dying, te gajakalabaha, gajashishavaha, swastatam rajanti gachanti. They may become healthy. Tataha, then when he was told by the followers like this, Tataha chiram dhyatva, because he is a king, Chaturdanta, Mahagaja. So chiram dhyatva, he meditated over the issue for a long time, thought over for a long time. Tena abhihitam, after thinking for a long time over this issue, Tena Gajena Chaturdantena Gajarajena Abhitam Uktam Asti. There is Maha Hradaha, there is a great pond or lake, Vivikte Pradeshi, Vivikte Pradeshi in an isolated place, Sthala Gataha. It is there in the midst of the place. Pata Sthala in the midst of that place. Patala Ganga Jalena. There is a Patala Ganga means a Ganga coming from the beneath, some kind of fountain-like thing coming from the bottom. Patala Ganga Jalena Sada Eva Purnaha. So the center part of that place, lake, is always Sada Purnaha. Jalena Purna. It is always filled with water because there is an input spring in the midst of that place. That is Patala Ganga. So Tatra Gamyatam. Let us all go there. I know one place, very safe place, very watery place. There is always water. No shortage of water. You said. Next.
तथा अनुष्ठिते पंचरात्रम् उपसर्पद्भिः समासादितस्तैः सहृदः तत्र स्वेच्छया जलम् अवगाह्य अस्तमनवेलायां निष्क्रान्ताः तस्य च ह्रदस्य समान्ताः शशक बिलानि असंख्यानि सुकोमल भूमौ तिष्ठन्ति.
Okay, you can take that two later. Yeah. Now, when the Gajaraja Chaturdanta informed the followers that there is a great lake which is always supported by the underneath fountain, etc., Tata Anushtite, so they immediately set out when they took to that. Pancha Ratram Upasarpadbihi, Sarpadbihi, Gachadbihi, Pancha Ratram Gachadbihi. They traveled for continuously 5 nights, Srinivas. Pancharatram upasarpadbihi gachadbihi samasaditaha praptaha. Samasaditaha reached. Praptaha taihi gajaihi sahradaha. That pond was reached by those elephants, all of them which took on their journey for continuously 5 days, 5 nights, you can say. Sahradaha samasaditaha praptaha. Tatra there, immediately on reaching that great lake, swechaya, to there, very freely, jalam avagahya, they very freely got into the water. Avagahya means they got into the water. Astamana velayam, they got into the water and they did not leave the water till the time Sandhya time came. Astamaya velayam, at the Sandhya Kali, at the time of sunsetting. Then what did they do? Nishkrantaha, they left that place. They exit from that place only at the sunset. They spent their whole day because they were so tired and so thirsty. Pipasa Kula already indicated. So they were thirsty and tired, and so they spent the whole day, and by evening they left the place. Tasyacha, and to that lake, Tasyacha Hradasya, to that lake, Samantat, all around, to that lake all around, Sheshaka Bilani Asankyani, Asankyani Sheshaka Bilani, to all around that great lake, Tasya Hradasya Samantat Paritaha, Asankyani Shesha Bilani. What were there around that? All around there existed the, what do you call, the Bila means hole, the holes of the hares. The rabbits, they have their own holes to live in. So Asankyani, how many were there? They were innumerable. Uncountable number of, umpteen number of holes of the hares were there, which were all destroyed. You know, imagine the whole of a rabbit trampled by Gaja, completely smashed. So Sukomala bhumau tishtanti. They were all there on that very soft, lake, on the bank of the lake. What are the earth will be very, very soft. Sukomala, the earth will be very soft. So on the soft, sandy ground, you can say soft ground, so many holes of these hairs were there. And what happened to the holes? Now, Tanyapi.
Tanyapi samastairapi taihi gajaihi itastataha brahmadbihi paribhagnani bahavaha shashakaha bhagnapada shirogriva vihitaha kechit mrutaha kechit jivashesha jataha.
Yes. Then what happened? Tanyapi, all those. Tanyapi samastaihi. Yeah, this two words. Tanyapi. Tanyapi bilani. Goes with bilani. Samastaihi. Yes, you can take. Samastairapi taihi gajaihi itaha tataha brahmadbihi paribhagnani. So tani referring to the holes. Tani bilani. Shasha bilani. Those holes of the rabbits. Taihi gajaihi. Samastaihi gaje, by all those elephants which came over there. Tairapi samastaihi api taihi gajai, everywhere visarga sandhi. Itaha tataha brahmadbihi. What happened to those elephants? The elephants very fondly move here and there in the water. Itastata, either in taitar brahmadbihi gachadbihi paribhagnani. They were completely smashed. Paribhagnani. All the holes of the Bahavaha, in the process, many Shashakaha, Bhagna, many rabbits' hairs were lost their feet. Bhagnapada, Shirogriva, many lost their feet. Shiras, many were trampled on their head. Many got their, their broke their, Griva means neck, Vihita. So, feet were broken, heads were broken, smashed, their the necks were also trampled. Kechit mrutaha, some died. Kechit mrutaha, Kechit and few others, jivaseshaha jataha. Some lived on, some were left with life. So, helter and skelter, the elephants moved, and as a result, these tiny rabbits' holes were completely smashed, and whatever rabbits were there, they happened to this. Atha
gate tasmin gajayuthe shashakaha sodvega gajapada kshunnasa kechid bhagnapadaha anye jarjarita kalevaraha rudhira plutaha anye hata shishavaha bashpa pihita lochanaha sametya mitho mantram chakruhu aho vinashta vayam nityam eva etad gajayutha
yutham
agamishyati yataha na anyatra jalamasti tat sarvesham nashaha bhavishyati uttam cha.
So once these elephants, having played in the water and destroyed so many holes of the rabbits, left. Then gate tasmin gaja yuthe gaja samuhe gate sati. So when once the herd of elephants left that spot, left that pond, sodvegaha, with anxiety, with full of anxiety, udvega, afflicted with anxiety, gajapada kshunna samavasaha. Gajapada means legs of the elephant, feet of the kshunna samavasaha, whose samavasa means holes. Here he is not saying bilam here. Now bilam is a hole of the rabbit, but that is a residence for it. Na? So samavasa, avasa is used here. Gajapada kshunna samavasa, the rabbits which had their homes destroyed, shattered by what? Gaja pada. Gajanam padaihi kshunna nashita samavasaha gruhaha kechit. So some have lost their homes. Kechit samadar bhagna pada. Already some more description. Some who have lost their feet. Anye, other rabbits or hares, sorry, jarjarita kalevaraha, were completely smashed in the body. They were completely, jarjarita means their bodies were completely destroyed almost. Jarjarita means loosened. Jarjarita kalevaraha shariraha. Rudhira plutaha, and they were, some were completely oozing blood. When they were filled with blood, their bodies were filled with blood. Rudhira plutaha, anye, some other hata shishavaha, some other rabbits lost their shishus, lost their younger ones. Bashpa pihita lochana, and their eyes were filled with bashpa tears. So they were crying. They all sametya, they got together. Mitaha, mutually, one to one, parasparam, mitaha parasparam sametya, ekatri bhuya. So they all gathered and then started telling each other. Mantram chakruhu, they consulted. Some losing their children, some feet damaged, etc. All the suffering rabbits, they came together. And then they said, oh, look here, wow. Vinastaha vayam, we are destroyed. We are lost now completely. Vinastaha vayam. Nityameva, daily only, Nityameva, etad gaja yutham agamishyati. They took it for granted. Now, once the elephants have tasted the, seen the place, the water body, so Nityameva, every day only, etad gaja yutham, this herd of elephant agamishyati. They will, every day it will come. Now, this group will come, yataha, because na anyatra jalamasti. Because these animals also knew that anyatra jalam nasti, nowhere water is available, only this place it is available. So they daily they will come and daily they will do the same damage. Tat, so sarvesham nasha bhavishyati, so all of us will be destroyed. Uktam cha, yes,
Channapi gajohanti jighrannapi bhujangamaha hasannapi nrupohanti manayannapi durjanaha.
this is also a famous,
Shall I complete this?
Yeah, complete.
Tat chintyatam kaschid upayaka tatra ekah provacha gamyatam deshatyagena kimanyat uktam cha manuna vyasena cha.
Now, when this meeting took place, I mean, when all the suffering, these heirs came together and then spoke to each other, we are gone, every day they will come because there is no water anywhere else. So, some sarvesham nasha bhavishyati, some upaya should be thought over. So, one said, it is said, spushannapi gajohanti. Gajaha, an elephant, while touching only it kills, it seems. Sometimes we see in Kerala, it mostly happens, even the tamed animals, in spite of the mahout sitting on the elephant, sometimes they go out of control.
Yeah.
So we can't predict. So this is the nature here. Yes, Spushannapi, while touching only. While touching, many people are fond of taking the Ashirvada with the trunk also. And that trunk may sometimes lift them and bang on the ground also. So, Spushannapi gajaha hanti, Shatru pratyanta. While touching only, gajaha hanti, an elephant kills people. Jigrannapi bhujangamaha. While smelling only a bhujangama, a snake gives a bite. Hasannapi nrupohanti. Nrupaha, how does a king attack or kill person? Hasannapi, while smiling only. So maybe bad king he is. Like in our cinemas, villain will be smiling and then immediately what action follows. Many of the old cinemas where the villains smile they do all havoc while smiling. But here he says, Hasannapi Nrupohanti. A king kills while smiling. Mahanayannapi Durjana. A Durjana, a wicked fellow, while giving you respect, respecting you only damages you. This is very good. A Durjana is such a fellow, dangerous fellow, unpredictable fellow, that while showing respect to Manayan, he does the damage. So, like this, these are things we can't believe. Tat, therefore, chintyatam, let it be thought over, kaschid upayaha. So, this word is the great word of Panchatantra Srinivas. Upayaha. Upayena hi yatchakyam natachakyam parakrami. Kakaha kanaka sutrena Krishna sarpamamarayat. So, this upaya idea. So, I tell students an idea can, what is it?
Change your lives.
Change your life. An idea can save you from your critical position, critical situation, an idea. Upaya. Tat. Therefore, chintyatam kaschid upaya. Let us think over some strategy, some idea to get over this situation. Tatra ekaha provacha. There, one hare or rabbit said, Gamyatam desha tyagena. One person said, no, let us leave this place and go away. Desha tyagena gamyatam. Easy to do. Anybody can do that, leaving our place and then go away. Kimanyat, what else? Uktam cha. Because it is said also, Manuna Vyasena cha. Manu also said that. Vyasa also said that. Now they are quoting that.
Tyajedekam kulasyarthe gramasyarthe kulam tyajet gramam janapadasyarthe atmarthe prithivim tyajet.
So the argument of one of the hares is, Tyajed ekam kulasyarthi. Kulasya arthe, for the sake of the family, ekam, one should give up one person. Ekam kulasya, tyajet kulasyarthi. Kulasya arthi, one should give up a single person for the sake of family. For the family is important, kula. Right? Kulasya arthe ekam tyajet. Gramasya arthe, for the sake of beautiful usage of arthe. Arthe is used, Shashti is used, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Gramasya arthe, for the sake of the village, kulam tyajet, one should give up one's family. So it is like for one individual, for one family unit, one should give up one individual person. For the sake of a bigger, so smaller is given up here, advocated. Small things are advised to be left over for the sake of the bigger things here. So individual is left for the sake of the family. Family can be left for the sake of the village. So it's going up and up. Gramasyarthe kulam tyajet. One should give up one's family kulam. Gramasyarthe, for the sake of the village. Gramam janapadasyarthe. And even one should forsake. One should give up even grama also for the sake of janapadasya arthi. Janapadasya means for a larger community. Janapada also means a country. A state, you can say.
Yeah.
For the sake of the state, one should give up one's village also. And when it comes to, this is very important in this law, atmarthi, for the sake of the self. When, in law also it is there. When you are when we are being attacked by somebody, and in the process of protecting ourselves, if we kill the attacker, there will be no punishment. In self-defense, if you kill somebody, it is like this. In self-defense, if we kill someone unintentionally while defending ourselves, that is accepted in the law. It is not a murder or anything like that. So, atmarthe, atmanaha arthe, for the sake of the self, prithivim tyajeti, when it comes to that, you should give up the entire earth itself. Oh, I thought when I interpreted that, atmanam satatam rakshit, dhanadapi dhana. It is coming?
Yeah, it's coming next.
Yeah, it's coming.
After the...
That is there. So here he says, Atma Arte Prithivim Tyajet. One should give up the entire world, Prithvi, for the sake of the self is important. Now, self protection is very important under the even IPC law also. Yes, Srinivas.
What is this Prithivim Tyajet? So Prithivim is?
You give up the entire earth itself for the sake of
Means-
the for the sake of safety of yourself. Now, another interpretation seems to be nation, Prithvi. No.
Okay.
No, I will take it philosophically, Srinivas. Atmartya Prithvim Tejet means for Atma Jnana, Atma Mukti Artham, for the salvation, for the knowledge of the self, you should be ready to give up the entire earth itself.
Okay.
Atma Jnana is ultimate, na?
Yes.
Atma Jnana is Atmartham, so we can take that way. So you give up the whole world,
Yeah.
like Sarva
Parityaga.
Sangha Parityaga, that is what.
Kshemyam sasya pradam nityam pashu vruddhikarim parityajen rupo bhuvim atmartham vicharayan.
The same idea, Atmartya Prithivim Tyajet, is elaborated in these 83 poems. Kshemyam Sasya Pradam Nityam Pashuvruddhi Karimapi. Pashuvruddhi Karimapi Kshemyam Sasya Pradam Bhumim. All these are adjectives to the second line, Bhumim. Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Nrupaha, a king, Nrupaha Parityajet Nrupaha Bhumim Atmartham Avicharayan, without any thought, second thought. Avicharayan, without any second thought, thinking over. Nrupaha, a king, Parityajet, should give up. What should he give up? Bhumim, this earth. What type of earth? Pashu Vruddhi Karimapi, even though it is what you call it is promoting the well-being of all the animals. Pashu Vruddhi Karim. You can understand that very simple. Pashunam Vruddhi Karim. Vruddhehe Kartri iti. This is a Visheshana for Bhumi. When Bhumi is prosperous, when the country is prosperous with Pashu Sampada. Pashu Vruddhi Karim means Pashu Sampada is there. Nityam always, Sasya Pradam, and it is always giving you good crop also. Sasya Sampada, Sasya Pradam. Kshemyam, and it is very, very, what do you call, comfortable, prosperous. Prosperous country, prosperous land, always giving good yield, Sasya Sampada, and Pashu Vruddhi is also there. When the animal, cattle and other things are also well nourished. Such Bhumim, Tadrushim Bhumim, Nrupaha Parityajet. Kimartam Parityajet? Why should he give up? Atma Artham, Atma Artham. Atmanaha Artham, for the sake of his own self. Avicharayan. So when it comes to, again, we have to understand Atmartham Prithvim Tejet. Now one said, what type of Prithvi one should give up? That is outlined in these two lines. That Prithvi, which is very useful, which is giving good yield, which is comfortable to the animals, and which is very comfortable to the people, prosperous to the king, even such kingdom should be, earth should be given up. Because of Atmartham. Atmarthi or Atmartham, Avicharayan, without any second thought. So we have to understand that way. Now the next one is
Apadarthe dhanam rakshet dharan rakshet dhanairapi atmanam satatam rakshet dharairapi dhanairapi.
This is one of the most famous sloka. Apadarthe dhanam rakshet. Apadartham or apadarthi, dhanam rakshet. One should protect. Dhanam rakshet. This is vidhiling, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Vidhiling means compulsion. One must protect. Apadartham means against the apada. What should one protect? Dhanam. Apadarthe dhanam rakshet. In foreseeing some apada, you must protect money. So why people save money? For any unforeseen event in life, saving. And we Indians are very good at doing this. Apadarte dhanam rakshet. Oh, fine. Daran rakshet. One should protect. Daran. This Dara Shabda, by now our readers may be knowing, and Sanskrit people know that. Dara Shabda is a masculine word in Sanskrit. Daraha. And it is Nitya. In last class also, Srinivas, you told. It is Nitya Bahuvachana and Pullinga. But meaning is wife. It means wife, Bharya, Kalatram. But it is always used in Bahuvachana and Pullinga Shabda. By gender wise, it is Pullinga. So, Daran Rakshet Dhanairapi. So, one should protect money against some apada. One should protect one's wife even at the cost of losing of money. Daran Rakshet means Bharyam Rakshet, Kalatram Rakshet, Dhanairapi, even by losing the money. Fine. Atmanam Satatam Rakshet. When it comes to the Atma, self, Atmanam Satatam Rakshet, you must always protect yourself. One must always protect oneself. Dhanairapi Darairapi. Even at the Darairapi, sorry. First Darairapi, Dhanairapi. Even at the cost of losing wife or at the cost of losing one's money. Darairapi, Dhanairapi. Even by losing the wife or no, that way. So people may say this is a selfish teaching. You must forego, you must save yourself at the cost of wife and money, okay. But even you want to lose your wife also. So I think the idea is self-protection is all the more important.
Yeah.
It is more important than your money, everybody agrees. But when it comes to even at the cost of one's wife, there may be some, argument regarding this can be discussed point. But what is intended by the writer that has to be taken, that self is more important than anything else. Even wife, why he said wife? Because wife is the most dear person. Any dear thing should be given up for the sake of the self. If we understand this way, there won't be any controversy as such. Next.
ततश्च अन्ये प्रोचुः गोः पितृपैतामहं स्थानं न शक्यते सहसा त्यक्तुं तत्क्रियतां तेषां कृते काचित् विभीषिका यत् कथमपि दैवात् न समायान्ति उक्तं च.
So when one of the heirs suggested leaving this place, अन्यत्र गमनमेव तत्र उपायः इति एकेन तत्र शशकेन उक्तं यदा उक्तं, and he has given so much backing here. Manu said this, Vyasa said this, Yajayadekam, etc., etc. Then tatascha anye prochuhu. Then others started speaking. So when one person begins, then it is taken by others. Boho. Friends, Pitru Paitamaham Sthanam. This is our sthana, land, place of belonging to our Pitru and Paitama. Fathers and forefathers' place this is. Na shakyate. Not possible. Sahasa tyaktum. All of a sudden to leave tyaktum na shakyate. It is not possible to leave all. So if a man has been living since ages, generations in one place, some calamity takes over. So should we give up that land, place and go to somewhere else? That is tat. Therefore, kriyatam tesham kruti, tesham gajanam kruti here. Now this tesham goes with gajana. Tat kriyatam, let it be done something. Tesham kruti, tesham gajanam, for the sake of those elephants. Kachit, some Vibhishika, some kind of terror should be created now. Fear, bhayam. Vibhishika means bhayam. Bhayam. So kachit, vibhishika shabda is strilinga, therefore kachit is used. So kriyatam kinchit bhayam. Kriyatam utpadyatam kinchit bhayam. Kachit vibhishika kriyatam. So let some kind of terror or fear be created. Yat katamapi, somehow or other, yat katamapi, by somehow, by some means or the other, somehow or other, daivat, and by chance, it is only taking a chance, by chance, daivat, atra, na, daivan na samayanti, and to our, possibly or by chance, they may not come again. If a fear is created to the elephants, by luck or by chance, they may not come again. Daivat na samayanti na punaragachanti. Te gajaha iti. Uktam cha.
Nirvishenapi sarpena kartavya mahati phata visham bhavatu ma vastu phatato bhayankaraha.
I am reminded reading these pages, Srinivas, our Telugu movies, where people, the villagers say, no, that fellow villain has come. We'll be killing one after the another. No, we'll leave this place. Then the hero comes on. And he gives assurance, no. If you go on, if you fear like that, then what is the point? This is your father's place, your grandfather's place. You should not go. You should all be united to face the enemy. If you are united, then there will be some such situation. In many of the movies you see this. So I think after all our movies are also from our stories.
Yes.
So here he says, Nirvishena api sarpena. There is a sarpa, serpent, a snake. By some chance it has no poison generated in it. Nirvishena api sarpena. Yes, by a snake, though not having the visha in it. Kartavya mahati phata. Phata means here the hood of the serpent. The hood of the serpent. So even though the serpent is not poisonous, but it should be acting, showing up its hood as if it is going to bite. If a serpent does not behave like a serpent, then it cannot survive. People will immediately kill with it. When can it create a terror, fear in the people? When it acts, showing its hood. So mahati phata means great. It's the hood of the serpent should be greatly expanded.
Yes.
Even though it has no poison. Visham bhavatu, then it is saying, the poem says, Visham bhavatu ma va bhavatu ma va bhavatu. Let poison be there in it or not. Ma va astu, ma va bhavatu. Patatopo bhayankara. But the patatopa means the puffing of the serpent hood, the posing of the hood, the expansion of the hood must be very great. By looking at the movement of the hood, the opponent should fear. Patatopa. Atopa means exhibition, Srinivas. Atopa means showing off. Atopa. Phata, atopaha. The hood's movement or the exhibition of the hood, expansion of the hood should be great. Patatopaha bhayankar, it should be very dangerous. By looking at this, oh, this is a very dangerous serpent. Then, now I tell you one actual scene I have seen in the, I think in that great channel. What is that great channel? Nature channel? It was BBC. So, beautiful commentary was there in Hindi. The Earth, they shown Earth, the channel is there.
The National Geography, sir?
National Geography channel, sorry. In the National Geography channel, one day they were showing the jungle and the all big elephants were going and very poisonous snake, very active snake, stalls the movement of the elephants. And that snake is supposed to emit poison some 10 feet to 12 feet.
Wow.
It emits, they have shown it. And it comes, the poison comes and falls on the feet of the elephant. And elephant, the commentator says there, why quarrel with this small creature? So the elephants take another route. They change their route. And the commentary there is wonderful. The commentator says, why quarrel with this little animal? They see, and it goes on emitting poison, ejecting poison, and the poison goes several feet distance. And the elephants, they change, What a lesson we learn, Great people, they don't unnecessarily quarrel with the little fellows.
Yeah.
That is the, so here some such thing is suggested here. Can we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Right. Namaskar.